Uranium Facts. Uranium is a chemical element, its symbol is U and its atomic number is 92. Refined uranium is a silvery white weakly radioactive metal. Uranium is hard, malleable, ductile, and a poor electrical conductor. The metal has a very high density, around 70% denser than lead, yet less dense than gold. There are three naturally occurring uranium isotopes. Uranium-238 is the most stable of these and makes up over 99%, uranium-235 makes up 0.72% of natural uranium and uranium-234 just 0.005%. German chemist Martin Heinrich Klaproth is credited with discovering uranium in 1789. He named the new element after the recently discovered planet Uranus. In 1841, Eugène Melchior Peligot became the first person to isolate uranium, and in 1896 Henri Becquerel discovered it had radioactive properties. Uranium has a melting point of 2075 degrees Fahrenheit 1135 degrees Celsius and a boiling point of 7468 degrees Fahrenheit 4131 degrees Celsius. Uranium has been in use as far back as ancient Rome and during the Middle Ages, when its orange red to lemon yellow shades were used as coloring agents in ceramic glazes and glass. Uranium-235 is the most important uranium isotope for the creation of nuclear reactors and weapons because it is the only naturally occurring isotope that is fissile, meaning it can be split into 2 or 3 fission fragments by thermal neutrons. One kilogram of 235 U can theoretically produce 20 terajoules of energy, equivalent to the energy produced from 1,500 tons of coal. The first atomic bomb used in World War II, dropped on Hiroshima, Japan, in 1945, contained a uranium core. Today nuclear bombs are usually made from other materials such as plutonium. The military uses uranium when making special ammunition. It helps make bullets and larger projectiles hard and dense enough to punch through armor. Over 33% of the world 39's uranium is mined in Kazakhstan. Other uranium mining countries include Canada, Australia, Namibia, Niger, and Russia. Marie Curie 39's discovery of radium in uranium ore meant uranium mining increased so radium could be extracted to make glow-in-the-dark paints. It takes 3 tons of uranium to get 1 gram of radium, leaving massive amounts of uranium waste material which was sent for use in the glazing and tiling industry. In addition to being weakly radioactive, Uranium is also deemed a toxic metal, and overexposure can affect the normal functioning of our vital organs.
Uranium out of the earth. The ore is drilled, then blasted, and then transported to the surface, then a mill where nuclear power is extracted.
How deep is the mine?
A few hundred feet to more than 3,000 feet deep in the earth. That is about the height of the Statue of Liberty.
What are uses for uranium?
Fuel and nuclear power, glass plants, nuclear reactors, these are all uses of uranium.
How much uranium ore do we mine each day?
On average, 2,000 pounds to 3,000 pounds.
How wide is the mine?
About 1,000 feet to 2,000 feet wide on average.
How common is uranium?
About 2.8 out of 1 million things would be uranium, or would contain uranium. That is a little less than 2%.
How useful is uranium?
Uranium is useful because it is used in glass and house items.
What is uranium made of?
It is made of uranite.
Can uranium hurt you?
It can cause severe health effects such as cancer or even liver problems, which can be really bad.
Is uranium hot to touch?
It is naturally warm to touch and it's very hard to cool down. You will need very, very cool water. You might even have to break it apart.